Alright, let's see here. Number 8. Did you get to finish it?
Yes.
Yes? Alright, at number 10?
No,
Oh, you guys are awesome. Alright, so let's see here. Let's finish it. What do we
How many
get?
fives in this classroom?
Hopefully a lot.
Really?
33 fives. He's watching you. Alright, what did y'all end up here when you separated it? 1 over y minus 1 dy equals 1 over x squared dx? Yes? That's what you should have ended up with?
Yes.
When I integrate this side, I get ln the absolute value of y minus 1.
Yes.
This guy, we could send him up, so he could be like x to the negative 2, right? And then make it easier to integrate. So I think you end up with negative 1 over x, right? Plus c? Or negative x to the negative 1?
Yeah, I could have just did that. Because
And then we have to find c.
It's wrong either way.
Using the 0.20, right? So we're going to get ln of the absolute value of 2 minus 1 equals, no, 0 minus 1 equals negative 1 over 2 plus c. So we get ln of 1, and what's the ln of 1? 0, so then we add half, so c equals half. We gotta know what ln of 1 is, right?
Anything of the zero.
E to the 0 power equals 1. Now we need our particular solution. So we got the ln of the absolute value of y minus 1 is equal to negative 1 over x plus 1 half. How do we pull that y minus 1 out? Or that absolute value of y minus 1 out? Rewrite it, right? So we're going to have absolute value of y minus 1 is equal to e to the negative 1 over x plus 1 over 2. Good? How do I get rid of that absolute value? Put a plus or minus. E to all that. Add the 1. We get y equals 1 plus or minus e to the negative 1 over x plus 1 over 2. Now we need to test using the point. And the point was 2, 0. Okay, so let's just think about it. I need to plug in a 2 and get a 0 out, right? So if I plug in a 2, I get negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, that's 0. So that's e to the 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 or 1 minus 1 gives me 0.
1 minus 1.
Minus, so this should be y equals 1 minus e to the negative 1 over x plus 1 over 2. Did you get it right?
Yes.
Easy? Awesome. So we're going to stop there because we're running out of time. Okay, but we have 2 more here on the back to talk about. And I'm going to give you your homework so you can start working on that. Cool? On the AP test, it's going to look like those last 4 examples. 7, 8, 9, and 10. It's not going to be like anything before that.